Okay, so we're on part 153, and it's line 18A3z2b2 Neutrinos Fiber Optics OBSIDIAN Twist 4 Quarks Rotation CERN. Okay, and this line here was divided into 9 videos. So it's going to go all the way up to 2b, and then 8 will be the last number on it. Okay, and each one has a different title. I might add the Wow Seti on the end there, but I think I've run out of space there, so it only allows so many words. So here's the alien signal there, and this is February 26, 2012, 6:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when I wrote this. Today is February 29th at 4:08 p.m. Okay, so I was looking at my comments on YouTube, and one suggestion was for me to try to research the electrical universe on this video. This data did not come up in the Wow Seti lines of data. It came up because of a comment about electricity and the universe's dark matter. So the next 9 videos are based on a comment and all the data that came up because of the comment. And I started a Google search about it and found new data about neutrinos testing that had been released. The video reference that was commented on was line 18A3Y3 Borexino Solar PEP Neutrino SSS Deuterium UFO 5G Wow Seti. And there's the video there. So I did and came across an article that reads Sinusoid molecular vibration. So I Googled that, and this came up. Molecular vibrations, the theory of infrared and Raman vibrational spectra, from Edgar, Bright, Wilson, J.C. Decius, Paul C. Cross. And that's on Google Books. So here's a picture of what electric universe would look like. And there's the YouTube video that it came from. And so another keyword that came up was beryllium and boron, 7Li, 7Be, 8Be, and 8B. Again, that was another thing from Google search engines. And they also talk about rotating particles. So I Googled particles that rotate and find this. It was a forum from Sheep Factory, was written in 2003. It says, "You are welcome." And the Sprite Twist PP attribute under add dynamic attributes general to your particles, then write an expression on that attribute. And he gives an example. So Twist PP stood out to me, so I Googled that word, and up came this: faster than light neutrinos could be down to bad wiring, by Jason Palmer, Science and Technology reporter, BBC News. Remember we were talking about the neutrinos traveling faster than the speed of light? Now they're saying because of bad wiring, it might have been the reason why it traveled faster. But then they also found another problem with their system, that if they had plugged it in properly, there was 2 things that were wrong, that it would have traveled faster than the speed of light, and actually they expected to get better results than they already have. So I'm going to read you some of the quotes from Jason Palmer's article on BBC News. Okay, so the team also said they found a problem in the optical fiber connection between the GPS signal and the experiment's main clock. Quite simply, a cable not fully plugged in. In contrast, the team said that effect would increase the neutrinos' apparent speed. So we have one saying decreasing, the other one saying increasing. So my thoughts: fiber optics is used in the ideas for the space elevator, along with a laser beam with obsidian mirrors. They talk about glass, and obsidian can be used in glass. So I looked it up, and there's a picture of obsidian glass. And then I found advances in obsidian glass studies, archaeological and geochemical perspectives from Royal Irvin Taylor. I believe it's either a PDF or a booklet that you can purchase online on Google Books. So he's got some advanced information. And then we have Twist 4 corrections to charged and neutral current neutrino scattering. This also came up. It's a PDF file. And it's written by P. Castorina and P.J. Mulders. And it says Center for Theoretical Physics, Laboratory for Nuclear Science and Department of Physics, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Cambridge, Massachusetts. Received January 1985 and published in June. We calculate the twist for spin 2 contributions to the lowest moments of the structure functions of F1, F2, and F3 for isoscalar targets. We argue and show explicitly that the effect of RV and RV minus is mainly coming from the 4 quark operators and the operator plot extension. The matrix elements of these operators can be calculated using the MIT bag model. The uncertainty in the determination is sin 20W. Due to the higher twist effects is about 1%, and that was written in 1985. So my thoughts, February 28, 2012. I've taken all the data from this section and split into 9 videos in order to make the recording time shorter. The videos are titled from line 18A3Z2B to line 18A3Z2B8. Here's the tags for this video, and each video is going to have its own set of tags, whatever it talks about. And some of them I'll just share the tags because I've got so many. That's usually what I do with them. Okay. And there's all the references for the PDFs. And then here's all the names of the videos that it's going to go into. You can see there's quite a bit of different data, different words. There was so many different words, so many different keywords, so I decided to divide them up into 2 or 3 pairs, 2 or 3 items on one page, just to make it more simplified. Okay, and we'll go on to the next video now.